Here we bring a delicious plum beet and ginger juice for rich source of nutrients for our natural health. Sweet and tangy. This fresh plum beetroot juice with ginger is a light drink, but yes, it's power packed with vitamins and minerals. This juice is an easy and enjoyable way to take in your nutrients. Beetroot, plum and ginger, stimulant of metabolism and have high antioxidant and detoxifying effects. Along with vitamin C and beta carotene, they also include minerals including chromium, potassium, selenium and others. Take it at in the morning or in the evening for nourish your body. If you like our video, then please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.